Let's start. Best of luck.
She dashed not at home yesterday. A is B was C wasn't. They playing football now. A is B are C I a student A and B are C is. The kids reading books. A reads B read C are reading. He tea every morning. A drink B drinks C drinking. We went to the park yesterday. The teacher absent yesterday. A is B was C wasn't. My father driving to work. A and B is C are. They good friends. A or B is C am. He went to the store yesterday. A go B goes C went. She cooking dinner now. A am B is C are. We in Texas last year. A lived B lives C live. The sun rises in the east. A rise B rises C rising. He does his homework daily. A do B does C did. They were late for class yesterday. The baby sleeping now. A and B is C are. She bought a new phone last week. We not like candy. A, do, B, does, C, did. He in the garden now. A and B are C is. They were watching TV last night. A, watch B, were watching C, watches. She my cousin. A are B, is C, M. The dog barking loudly. A, bark, B, barks, C, is barking. She my cousin. A are B, is C, M. We close friends since 2021. A has been, B have been, C had been. He not like burgers. A does, B do, C did. The kids in the yard. A and B are C is. I studying English now. A and B is C are. They gone home already. A had, B has, C have. She's singing a song. A and B is C are. We already completed homework. A have, B has, C had. He played basketball yesterday. She late yesterday. A are B is C was. The students studying now. A is B are C am A. He my best friend. A is B are C am. They going shopping. A goes B went C are going. The teacher very kind. A was B is C are. We at the mall yesterday. A were B was C are. The weather cold yesterday. A are B is C was. She already finished her essay. A have, B has, C had. They studying when I arrived. A was B was C are. The baby crying now. A am, B is C are. I ready now. A am, B are, C is. He goes to the gym daily. A goes B went C is going. She was absent yesterday. They waiting for the bus. A is B are, C am. The boy very smart. A is B are, C am. The cat sleeping now. A was B were C is. The children playing baseball. A am, B are, C is. She not write the essay. A did B do C does. They gone to the movies. A have, B has, C had. He's studying in his room. A is B or C.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.